Why does your scanner show the P2315 engine code? What does it mean? P2315 is a diagnostic trouble code for ignition coil F primary control circuit low. This engine code indicates that this means the vehicle's PCM has detected low voltage in the circuit for the specific ignition coil labeled F, which can lead to misfires and reduced engine performance. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: wiring problems, damaged connector, faulty ignition coil, PCM failure, corrosion and moisture. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford and Mercedes-Benz models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.